When we evaluate the intensely competitive pickup truck market, the boundaries between raw, heavy-duty utility and elite, first-class luxury have completely dissolved. Today on Vision Effect TV, we are staging a highly rigorous, analytical first look at a platform engineered to stand as the absolute zenith of this evolution, the all-new 2027 GMC Sierra 1500. GMC has officially pulled back the curtain on what they confirm to be the most advanced, most luxurious, and most powerful Sierra 1500 model ever to exit their assembly lines. This is not just a work truck with premium badges. It is a highly calculated, technologically dense masterpiece designed to dominate both the job site and the high-status executive driveway. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ava, and as the core digital brand face of Vision Effect TV, we are looking directly past the mainstream marketing buzz to isolate this machine's structural physics, cabin processing power, and mechanical parameters. GMC has consistently pushed the premium truck envelope, but with the 2027 model, they are aiming for absolute segment dominance. Let's look at the data. Grounded on an ultra-rigid, hydroformed, high-strength steel boxed frame, the chassis physics deliver exceptional torsional stiffness for maximum towing stability. The front fascia commands pure alpha status, dominated by a massive, multi-dimensional chrome grille and dual-projector C-shaped LED matrix headlights. Along the sides, the muscular, squared-off arches emphasize its rugged stance, flowing into the rear, where the legendary multi-pro tailgate returns as a highly functional mobile workstation. Beneath this tough skin, an adaptive suspension scans the terrain hundreds of times per second, actively flattening out body roll to ensure this massive footprint handles with absolute, car-like precision. Step up into the cabin, and any remaining notion of a traditional, utilitarian pickup truck is instantly and completely obliterated. In the flagship Denali Ultimate trim, the interior functions as a hyper-luxurious, rolling executive sanctuary designed to rival high-status European luxury sedans. The entire dashboard, door panels, and seating structures are wrapped in full-grain, custom-stitched Alpine Umber leather, complemented beautifully by authentic, open-pore Paldao wood trim. Look closer at the passenger side dash. The wood panels are precisely laser-etched with topographical maps of Mount Denali itself, showing a relentless attention to micro-details. The front thrones offer 16-way power adjustments alongside advanced, multi-pattern pneumatic massage systems, heating, and ventilation to eliminate driver fatigue on grueling cross-country hauls. But the true center of command is the massive, multi-screen digital layout that dominates the driver's field of view. A sprawling 13.4-inch diagonal infotainment touchscreen works in flawless tandem with a highly customizable 12.3-inch digital driver instrument cluster and a massive, multicolor head-up display projected directly onto the windshield physics. Running the latest high-speed operating system with integrated cloud intelligence, the system's processing power handles multitasking and navigation rendering with absolute fluidity. Furthermore, the integration of the next-generation Super Cruise driver assistance grid takes modern mobility to an entirely new level. This advanced system allows for true hands-free driving on hundreds of thousands of miles of pre-mapped highways across the continent. It doesn't just manage lane centering and adaptive braking. It works flawlessly even while actively trailering a massive load, calculating the extra stopping distance and mass physics of your trailer to execute safe, autonomous lane changes entirely on its own, making long highway hauls unbelievably effortless. Underneath this hyper-luxurious, high-tech sanctuary lies a devastatingly powerful mechanical heart. GMC has engineered a highly refined, high-output powertrain grid mated to a lightning-fast, ultra-responsive 10-speed automatic transmission layout. The powertrain delivery is engineered for massive, linear low-end torque, providing effortless towing capabilities and jaw-dropping acceleration metrics, while maintaining impressive high-speed efficiency and thermal management through intelligent active aero shutters in the front grille. The integration of advanced heavy-duty cooling matrices ensures that even under maximum payload parameters, the thermal load remains perfectly stabilized. This brings us directly to my definitive tactical verdict. Does the 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 genuinely redefine the premium pickup segment? My answer is a resounding, absolute yes. By seamlessly packaging a high-strength, rugged chassis with an incredibly smart, ultra-luxury cabin and next-generation autonomous tech, GMC didn't just refresh a truck. They successfully engineered the ultimate tool for modern high-status mobility. They have proven that raw towing power and uncompromising luxury can live in absolute, harmonious physics. If you want to track the front lines of global automotive evolution, hit that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now. Drop your raw analytical insights in the comments below. Is the 2027 Sierra 1500 the ultimate luxury truck, or is it too civilized for real work? I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the very next technical breakdown.